Hello everyone, this video, we will show you how to solve the problems of touch failure and inability to adjust brightness due to the screen FPC not installed in the screen installation. Now I'm holding a touch phone screen. After installing and then testing, the screen shows that everything is fine, but the touch fails. Why is this? Because there are two FPC inside the touch phone screen. One is for display, and the other is for touch. If the installation of the touch FPC is neglected during installation, the screen display is normal but the touch fails after installation. We just need to weld the touch FPC, and the touch will be restored. This is the screen of the iPhone 12, and the test found that the screen was very dim after installation, and the brightness could not be turned up. Why? Because there is a photosensitive FPC on the phone. If the photosensitive FPC is not installed, the screen brightness will always be in the dimmest state and cannot be adjusted. We now put the photosensitive FPC on, and look, the screen brightness is normal and can be adjusted. That's all for this video. I hope it will be helpful to you. If you have any questions about mobile phone repair, welcome to leave us a message, we will be happy to answer for you. Follow FLYCDI to learn more about maintenance. See you in the next video.